In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Hubspot. Whether you're running a small business or working for a larger company, having the ability to send customers a direct payment link can simplify transactions and improve cash flow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot website. This is the central hub for all your business software and tools, making it an essential starting point for setting up your payment link. Once there, you'll find the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're managing multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the one where you intend to create the payment link. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Hubspot home dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, where you can access all the tools and features made available by Hubspot. Now look for the commerce section in the dashboard. The commerce section is pivotal because it is specifically designed to manage financial transactions and commercial activities. Click on it to proceed further into the setup process. With commerce opened, focus your attention on the payment links option. This is the feature we're going to use to create a direct payment route for your customers. Click on payment links and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to managing and creating these links. The interface here is designed to be intuitive, so you should find it straightforward to navigate. Now here's the vital part of our demonstration, creating the actual payment link. On the payment links page there is a button labeled Create a Payment Link. Click on this button to initiate the link creation process. As you do this, you'll be prompted to enter the details required for the payment link, such as the name of the product or service, the price, and any additional information customers might need. When setting up the details for your payment link, ensure everything is accurate and clearly defined to avoid any confusion for your customers. Double check essential details like the price and item description, as these form the basis of the transaction. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and confirmed that it's correct, the system will guide you through a final review before the link is officially created. After confirmation, your payment link will be ready to send to customers, allowing them to make secure payments directly from the link you provide. And there you have it. You've just created a payment link using Hubspot. You can now share this link through email, social media, or embed it on your website to facilitate easy payments from your clients. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Have a great day.